Good evenings to all. This is Amrit Palkar once again, and I hope that you all are doing good. This particular video is for the 27th November 2021 IELTS exam of evening session. So, this review was really very important because there has been big change in the reading structure. So, students, please be ready for the same. Otherwise, prediction as I did nearly a month ago went entirely perfect when it comes to listening and writing. However, I must say that reading's pattern has changed and they are really experimenting with the structure. So, be ready for the changes as well. So, let's begin today's video. First of all, in reading, because as I have already told you that there has been a big change. So in passage 1, first 3 were MCQs, that is 1 to 3, they were MCQs. Then there was 4 blanks, and then true false not given. And in passage 2 there were 10 MCQs, and next there were 4 which paragraph contains the information. So the level of this body paragraph was really very tough. And in passage 3 there were 5 blanks, then MCQs again, then writer's opinion, more like there were 3 writer ABC and you were asked to choose which one is saying which particular thing. So this is the latest structure in reading which was followed in evening session. However, in morning the structure were again same, so there was no big difference. Next is listening. So listening, there were 4 parts. Part 1 there were 1 word blanks, and part 4 there were 2 word blanks, and level was moderate. And in part 2 there were MCQs like choosing 3 out of 5, and then 3 out of 6. Then they were also choosing 2 out of 4. So this part was entirely of basically MCQs. And part 3, again these were long MCQs, and question number 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 were very fast, and students felt that the speed of listening was a bit unusual. And part 4 was again very fast, otherwise it was only blanks, and they were happy to attempt it. And next, writing, there was line graph in task 1, and it was like something that how many students, how many people are using digital equipment in USA between 2004 and 2014. And then in case of writing task 2, the question was, do advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? The question was, in many countries, students must attend college or university till the age of 18. Do advantages of this for both parents and students outweigh the disadvantages? So it was really very easy. My students were happy when it comes to writing, but they were really very worried about this reading. So I hope that the students who are going to appear in 4th December 2021, they must be ready for these type of fluctuations in structure. So thank you, all the very best. God bless you. I hope that you get good results.